Now that we've got the basics out of the way, we're going to type in some data. So I'm going to make up a company and call it the Fictitious company. And for our fictitious company, we're going to have income and expenses. And we're a worldwide company, so we've got areas in the US. And I'm tabbing to the right here. Canada, tab. Mexico, tab. Europe, tab. Asia. And we will have a line for totals. And let's make this a little bigger. I'm going to the lower right hand corner, and that should do it right about there. Okay, now for our income, I'm making up these numbers as well as the company itself, so it's all totally made up. 26,000, 20,000, 30,000, 45,000, 28,000, and for our expenses we got 22,000, 18,000, 22,000, 38,000, and 25,000. Okay, now we want to calculate our profit. To do this, we just subtract our expenses out from our income, and that would be cell B6 minus B7. So I'm going to type in equals B6 minus B7, and it doesn't matter if it's capital or not, it'll capitalize your B. So now it's taking the value in here. So if I make this 28,000, it does the proper subtraction there. Now to take the same value and put it here, we can go edit. Whoops, we need to put this into our B8. We're going to say edit copy, and then edit paste. And another way to do this is to use our shortcut keys up here. We see copy is Control C and paste is Control V. So I'm going to go into C8 and use Control C for copy and Control V for paste. And we can also use our buttons up here in our toolbar, copy and paste. And while we're pasting, we can use Control V or any one of those options to continuously paste, as long as this active cell, or the cell that we said we wanted to copy, it still has these dashes on there until I hit escape. When I hit escape, that goes away. Okay, so we've calculated our profit. Now we also want to get our totals by summing things. So to sum up our income, we will click this button, sum. And it's asking us, do we want to sum B6 through F6? And that's up here in our formula bar, B6 through F6. And I want to say yes. And the same thing for here. Now I can use the copy, or I can hit this button to do the sum, which I like. Now, you might be asking, what is this X for and this dash? This just means to accept and cancel. If I went in here and then put something in besides, I wanted to cancel out. Another thing is if I had the formula in here correctly, and then I went in and accidentally got some other numbers in there, and I goofed it up, we can also hit our undo, and that's this arrow right here. We can also go into edit, undo, and redo. Redo, edit, undo. The undo is pretty valuable there. It's helped me out a number of times. So the check and the plus are gone because I haven't changed anything. But when I add something here, it says, oh, check means accept my change. X means go back to what I had before. It's almost like an undo, but it does not save it yet. So I could hit enter and then undo, or just hit that X and cancel out. So we've got our numbers in here, and we need one more. We can either hit the sum or copy. I will sum these. And we have our data out there. It's looking good. We're going to leave it at that for the end of this video.